guys, how are you? I am Ranga. Today in this video I will discuss how many days does it take to issue the employment visa in UAE. Many people they asked me and they sent me a mail commenting on the video regarding this matter. From this video I will share the knowledge what I know about the visa process in UAE. Okay. You will find there are many people they are waiting for the UAE visa till 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, even close to 6 months also. And you will find some of the people they get a visa within 15 days from they applied the visa, and they fly from their country to UAE within 1 month. This is a normal thing happens who apply the visa for UAE. You know guys, there are several reasons behind this. If you have a bad record in the past in Dubai, Gulf country, even in the old, or if you have a criminal record in UAE, Gulf country, or even in the old, the UAE government or the UAE immigration will reject your visa. If you don't have this issue with you, then the visa process of UAE, it is very simple and straightforward. Okay, it will not take much time for processing and issuing the visa. To process the visa, you must have a proper job contract. Okay, when you pass the interview and the employer company, they will send you or they will make you sign the job offer letter. After you sign the job offer letter, the employer company they can get a job contract from the Ministry of Labor. When you sign the job contract, the employer company they can apply for the labor approval to the Ministry of Labor, and the same time the employer company can apply for the entry visa permit to the Ministry of Immigration. The labor approval, it will not take longer than 1 week. Within 2 or 3 days, the Ministry of Labor it will approve for the labor approval, and after getting the labor approval, the UAE immigration will issue the entry permit or the pink visa. Okay, the entry permit will issue against your name. When the employer company it receives the entry permit, then it will send to you or it will send to your agent. Okay, but this process will not take longer than 1 month. Okay, this process will finish within 15 days. But if it go longer, then it will go up to 1 month. Okay, this is the process, but why the people waiting the visa until 3 months, 4 months, 5 months and 6 months? Okay, now I want to tell you why the many people are waiting visa without any reason. Number 1, your agent can make you fool. You know guys, some of the agents from developing countries such as Nepal, India or Bangladesh, Pakistan, they can tell you they have a job demand even though they have not get a job demand from the UAE company, because the agent company they need money to run their office. So they can block the people, they can tell they have a job demand from the UAE company for this company, that company, or what company, they can tell the name, and after then you will apply for the job. and they will keep your passport and your other educational document with them, and they will wait and they will deal with a UAE company to receive the job demand from them. They will ask the money in advance, right? When you pay the money in advance, they can run their business or their office from that money. And when they get a demand letter from the company, and then they will apply your job. Number two, the employer company may not require a new staff because of the business down. This also can happen. The employer company, they send a job demand letter to the agent in your country, okay, or the representative of the employer company, they come and they took the interview, and after that they didn't give you the visa because they may suddenly lost the business or their business is slow, then they don't want to hire people at that period of time. Then they keep it halt to apply for the employment visa. Okay. When they do slowly, then you will get a visa after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and 6 months. Some of the case, the employer company, they send a job demand letter to the agent company in your country before they get a business. Suppose I have a company and I am getting a business after 2 months and I require some of the staff, and I send a job demand letter to the one manpower agency. But I will not hire people until 2 months because I don't require people now, but I am recruiting the staff for the new business, and I haven't now the new business yet. So the visa will go pending. Okay. The employer company also can make slow to acquiring the visa for you. Number three, the popularity and influence of the company. You know guys, if you apply a job for the big company or the largest company in the UAE, and you will get a visa within 1 or 2 months, because the big company has a manpower to do various jobs. In the small company, they may not have a PRO, public relation officer, and they hire another people to do their job for the visa processing and visa approval, labor approval. They will use another person, and maybe the guys, he has no time, it will be delayed. But in the big company or in largest company, which is influence in the UAE, they have a manpower, they have their own PRO, and they will send the people to labor department and the immigration department, and this thing will happen in a time if it is a big company. If it is a big company, they have a link to every department. They know the people in labor department, immigration department, and they can do a fast job. And the immigration and the labor department also, they believe the big company because they don't have a record to bring a bad guy in, right? So it will not take a long time if you apply job in an influence company in UAE. Number 4, effectiveness of your company in taking care of the paperwork. Okay, if company it's not doing a good paperwork after then they apply the visa, first time it can reject, and second time they will start to collecting and submitting the required document. It will take time also. Your company in UAE, it do the proper paperwork and submit your document in time, the visa will approve within 15 days, and it will not take longer than 1 month. But there are many reasons I already discussed. Some of the people may not get a visa till 6 months, because we cannot believe any people. The manpower agency also can lie you, they use your money. After then they will tell you you did not get visa, it is your bad luck. This thing can happen, guys. So visa process in the UAE, it is not a difficult job. If the employer company it do the paperwork and apply for the entry permit and the labor approval, it will not take longer than 15 days. You can get a visa within 15 days. If not, it can go up to 1 month. And if there is another reason effect, then it can go 2 months, 3 months, even 6 months. I have found that some of the people, they wait a visa until 6 months, but they haven't get visa. After that, then they take a passport from the agent and they apply for the another country. This also can happen because I already discussed about the many reasons. Maybe your agent can bluff you, or the employer company, before they require people, now business is down and they don't want the people, new staff to hire. And if the small company, they don't have influence and they don't have a manpower to apply visa or doing the paperwork, and it is another effectiveness of doing the paperwork of your company. This thing can affect to approval your visa. Thank you, guys. I hope you understand from my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.